How to delete Instagram watch history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Instagram watch history. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on your activity. And now here, once you're inside this section, you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as watch history. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you can just tap on select option and just keep on selecting the videos that you want to delete from the watch history. And here, once you have selected that, you can just tap on remove option to remove it from your watch history section. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.